Hey guys, so in this video we are going to learn about the salary structure. Means this is purely related to HR topic only. But even though where in this case we learn about the 50% should be your basic and from the gross salary. So that's why I include this one also, because few companies I am doing payroll processor also. So that I thought let me show you. How we are preparing the salary structure CTC basis. So if any employee join our company and his CTC is for example 3,50,000, so in that 3,50,000 is a CTC. So in that employer employee contribution, insurance and gratuity, everything will include, no. So as per the code on social security 2020, and we'll discuss how to split that salary structure, what should be the basic and how to do that. So okay, let me take you to the Excel sheet. Yeah, for example, say suppose this employee CTC we decide it should be 3,50,000, then how to split that one? So we consider the gross 26,500 which equal to 3,18,000, and after that gross salary, gratuity, employer contribution and medical expenses, that's from the employer company side we are giving. So that is the cost to company. So that also be added. So here 26,000 is a gross salary. On that 50% should be his basic. Basic should it's mean the PF wages. You can tell as a wages only. So his basic is a 50% on the gross salary. And HRA what we are doing, this is not any rules are there, but for the IT benefit purpose we are doing this kind of thing. So we are giving 35% on his basic, then IT convenience allowance 2,000 rupees and food allowance 2,200. So if we give this allowance, food allowance, he can claim his income tax purpose also. But even though he is coming the below the slab rate, but we have a person who salary is 1 lakh 2 lakhs also we are paying. So for them if they are coming under 30% bracket, this food allowance, LTA, for their tax benefit purpose they will get it. So this is the salary structure: basic, HRA, convenience, food allowance, LTA, special allowance and gross salary. So 26,000 is a gross salary. Then gratuity we are giving 4.81 percentage on the basic, then employer portion 12 percentage on his basic. Then medical allowance, we are giving the policy medical insurance. So for that we are charging 5,000 rupees based on the company norms only. So this is the salary structure which we are using for our company purpose. In your company you can follow different rules or different process. Structure will be different, but basic should be the 50% for everyone. This should be same as per the code on security act. Your basic PF wages should be 50% on your gross salary. So that you should keep in mind. And this sheet also I will attach with this video. You can download and you can do practice by yourself also. Now the PF rate bifurcation. So till now I hope you understand all the things. What are the important things are that almost I cover. And now the rate calculation, how to do that 12%, then 30% from employee side, that need to be split different category. So that I explain in the PF rate bifurcation. You can go and watch that also. This will be last video in basic concept, and post that you can go with the compliances part, then registration and return filing, so that it will be helpful for you to understand properly. Because in compliances few more thing I covered, and few more thing I need to be covered, so that also I will add going forward. Yeah, and in case if you require any more videos, so as I said, this is a membership only, so everything will keep on adding when you facing some challenges. When if you require something else here also, you can tell to us in our Telegram group or WhatsApp group, wherever you are, so that I will make extra video and will add in the basic concept also. Yeah, so I hope you cover all this video in one day. So if you are overloaded, then take rest and start the next day with registration, return filing and compliances also. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you.